Let's get back from the dusty outback a bit closer to the Australian east coast. Maybe have a look at the rankings again, but this time choose something in the middle range, but still affordable for most investors. Maybe under 1 million, but not too risky and cheap. Maybe this postcode 2464 with median house price in 2021 so far being 870k. Let's search it up. Here it is on the coast. Let's zoom out and expand the map. This area is located between the Coffs Harbour and Byron Bay. Let's click on it and see the stats. The massive jump in price. Let's have a sanity check again on realestate.com.au. Search up the postcode 2464, click on the Suburb Profile, toggle the trend mode, and here we go. According to realestate.com.au records, the median house price in Yamba 2464 in last 12 months went up from around 550-ish up to 730k in April 2021. So mathematically speaking, we see a good uplift here. Let's scroll down this Suburb Profile page. I like this feature showing if the demand in the area is high or low. It is a very good sign that the demand is classified as high in this area. Demographical profile shows there is many elderly people are living here. Old people normally have money. This might be one of the factors driving the prices up. Perhaps there is a nice lifestyle for them in Yamba. Scroll down to see some recent listings. Now let's get back to the heat maps. So this postcode 2464 does have both houses and units. Number of houses sold is more than 100 per year, which indicates that calculations should be relatively accurate. We have versatile land blocks here, 500, 600, 700 square meters and others. Let's check out recent sales. I like the fact that we see transactions over $1 and even $2 million. This indicates there are some elite neighborhoods here. Let's switch to the statistical area level 1 and zoom in a little bit. The suburb is located on a shore with lots of waterways and a lagoon. There must be some awesome water views. Let's hover and click on those small blocks. Most of them shows stable growth. Some blocks looks to be still affordable, still under 700k or even 600k. And since there are some elite neighborhoods around, I would expect further growth in this area. Let's check out if there are any new property developments in this area. Click on the map. Scroll down for those charts. There were 130 new houses approved to be built in the area, as well as 28 townhouses. So there is a healthy supply of new stock in this postcode. Next, let's check out how does the rental market doing. $490 per week average rent, $515 per week for a house and $420 per week for a unit. Most of those houses have 3 bedrooms. Now let's have a look at the yield. It's not impressive, just a little bit over 3%, but with the house price hike we can expect rent to follow. Overall, I can't really call this suburb perfect, but it does look interesting. Pros are that there is growth, There are established wealthy communities, a lifestyle, maybe for elderly people, a good location on the coast with lots of waterways and views. What I don't like is that the massive growth already happened, and also average income here seems low, and the fact that population is predominantly aging. Still worth adding it to the bucket list. It is normal in the research when there is never a perfect match. There will always be some imperfections.